Loora and Praktika both claim to be the ultimate AI tutors for speaking practice. But which one actually helps you speak fluently and which one is just hype? Loora is an AI English coach that mimics real-world conversations. It's focused more on adults and professionals, offering workplace scenarios, role plays, and feedback on grammar and tone. You can speak freely and the AI responds naturally, almost like you're on a Zoom call. It feels serious, smart, and more business-focused. Praktika feels more like a fun, gamified experience. You talk to realistic 3D avatars who guide you through daily life topics like ordering food or meeting people. It's designed to boost your confidence in casual conversations. Perfect if you're shy, new to English, or just want it to feel more like a game than a lesson. Use Loora if you want professional coaching, advanced feedback, and serious fluency building. Use Praktika if you want to learn in a more relaxed, visual, and beginner-friendly way. Both work, but it depends on how you learn best. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one!